Hey man, National Lampoon Harris vacation. Got us a cabin. Let's see what the boys think. Huh, that's not that far. Got us a little round. Going camping this weekend, guys. That's our house for the couple days. Let's see what the boys think. Y'all, y'all like it?
Yes, sir.
Cool?
Does it got a TV?
Yep.
Oh, right here.
What kind of camping y'all doing?
Camping Harris style.
Mama got TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's TV.
Camping
Why can't we
Harris
eat
style.
here?
We have floors, AC.
We're gonna cook out.
TV.
Mama, we're gonna cook outside.
Yeah, there's a grill out there.
Yeah, we're gonna cook outside.
How much was this?
$271 for 2 nights.
Wow. What a deal.
Ethan, watch out. Ethan,
Just a little quick getaway, guys.
Catch my shoes.
Catch mine.
The porch is even screened in. I like that.
This is cool. I know I do. I really like it. Cool. Cool beans. Turn. Let me see. Get down low and hit the quan. Hit the quan.
Who is that?
I don't know either, son.